Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. 1. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of bryophytes? A. Presence of vascular tissues. B. Alternation of generations. C. Double fertilization. D. Independent sporophyte. Answer. B. Alternation of generations. Explanation. Bryophytes show alternation of generations, where the gametophyte is dominant and the sporophyte is dependent on it. 2. Which of the following is a parasitic plant? A. Rafflesia. B. Mimosa. C. Nymphia. D. Salmonella. Answer. A. Rafflesia. Explanation. Rafflesia is a parasitic plant that derives its nutrition from the host plant. 3. Kranz anatomy is associated with which type of photosynthesis? A. C pathway. B. C pathway. C. CAM pathway. D. Photorespiration. Answer. B. C pathway. Explanation. Kranz anatomy is a characteristic feature of plants performing the C pathway, where mesophyll and bundle sheath cells are specialized for photosynthesis. 4. What is the main function of xylem in plants? A. Transport of sugars. B. Transport of water and minerals. C. Storage of nutrients. D. Photosynthesis. Answer. B. Transport of water and minerals. Explanation. Xylem primarily conducts water and dissolved minerals from roots to other parts of the plant. 5. Which phase of mitosis is characterized by the alignment of chromosomes at the equatorial plate? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer. B. Metaphase. Explanation. During metaphase, chromosomes align at the equatorial plate of the cell. 6. Which plant hormone is known as the stress hormone? A. Auxin. B. Gibberellins. C. Cytokinin. D. Abscisic acid, ABA. Answer. D. Abscisic acid, ABA. Explanation. Abscisic acid is known as the stress hormone as it helps plants respond to environmental stress, such as drought. 7. Which of the following is responsible for the opening and closing of stomata? A. Guard cells. B. Epidermal cells. C. Mesophyll cells. D. Phloem cells. Answer. A. Guard cells. Explanation. Guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomata by changing their turgor pressure. 8. The primary acceptor of CoA in the C cycle is A. RuBP. B. PEP. C. NUTP. D. ATP. Answer. A. RuBP. Explanation. Ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, RuBP, is the primary co-acceptor in the Calvin cycle. 9. Which structure in a flower is responsible for producing male gametes? A. Ovule. B. Anther. C. Style. D. Petal. Answer. B. Anther. Explanation. The anther is part of the stamen and produces pollen grains, which contain male gametes. 10. Which type of vascular tissue is responsible for translocation of food in plants? A. Xylem. B. Phloem. C. Cambium. D. Epidermis. Answer. B. Phloem. Explanation. Phloem transports food, primarily sucrose, from the leaves to other parts of the plant. Please subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.